Beautiful morning. Not a cloud in the sky as we get ready to head out on our 5-hour half day. We've got our private fishing charters heading out here on the Flying Hub 2, and the Flying Hub 2 is getting prepared for an 8-hour trip to go out there and crush some hogfish, gag grouper, and hopefully some nice kingfish, mackerel, and more. A cloudless start to the day here inside Johns Pass as we get ready for some fishing fun. Hogfish have been picking up nicely, and I would assume today, with the way the weather has been, this cold front should hopefully get those hogfish even more excited and really cooperating well for us. The mackerel bite, oh, there's a nice dolphin show addition to the morning live view. That's cool. As I was saying, the mackerel have been pretty thick out there, and the kingfish should hopefully be excited behind this cold front. A lot of times when that water temperature just dips into the right range, the kingfish all of a sudden start cooperating. So that's what we're hoping for today. Lots of the mackerel still around, and hopefully some kingfish showing up. And then the hogfish bite has been steadily getting better. Behind this front, water temperatures dropped quite a bit. There was some nastier weather, so we're hoping that the hogfish have concentrated on the structure. And now as this front calms down, clears up, water is a little dirty right now, but as that water clears up, we're hoping those hogfish will hang out on the ledges. You can see, you can't even really see down the side of that piling. That's how muddy the water gets behind these fronts, which is pretty common. It'll take a day or two for that water to calm down and clear up. Luckily today, the water has already calmed down, enabling us to get out there on our 5-hour half day. We've got some private charters going out there, and hopefully the fish are gonna be ready to chew, because they haven't eaten for the last maybe 36 hours during that rougher weather. So hopefully they'll be ready to eat now that we're heading out there and gonna be feeding some baits. Here comes the sun poking out over the clouds there. Absolutely gorgeous with the sun. Let's see if I can get the camera right. Oh yeah, there she is. The sun poking out over the clouds. Pelican in the foreground. A little zoomed in, so it's a little bit more shaky, but definitely worth the view. Beautiful start to the day here inside Johns Pass. Don't forget, we got plenty of trip options for you. Dolphin tours, island trips, shelling, snorkeling. We got that morning radio show every Saturday morning, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Every Sunday night, we got our live stream show at 8:30 p.m. We hope you'll join us for those events. Also, keep in mind, y'all, the fishing is going well. Like I said, hogfish heating up, mackerel thick, kingfish should be back. And hopefully getting thicker and thicker. Gags are moving in. The snook bite is still surprisingly happening inside the pass despite the cooler weather. We've seen the redfish move through the pass, and now they're heading offshore. We're hoping that they'll be heading back here soon. Sheep's head bite is picking up. I would imagine today with that murky water, we'll see those sheep's head really cooperating well inside the pass and around the bridge. And as far as weather is concerned, on the back side of this front, we look to have a nice little weather window. It should be nice here inside Johns Pass and near shore and offshore for a little bit of time. It looks like the weather's gonna kind of remain a little bit more moderate. So looking forward to that. Let's see if I can get this other pelican in there. Kinda, sorta. So looking forward to more moderate weather, and definitely some great opportunities to take advantage of the hot bite we're seeing near shore and offshore. Remember, this is a kind of slower time of year, great time to get out there and take a fishing trip, dolphin tour, island trip. Don't forget, if you're too busy to go fishing, you're just too darn busy. Good morning, David DeVoe, Michael Duckman, Deanna Shively. Hopefully everybody's staying warm. It's a chilly mid to low 70s here inside Johns Pass, which gets to be pretty brutal for us Floridians, but we're bundled up nicely and we will survive. But it is a little brutal for us Floridians. So hopefully you guys are doing well, and hopefully we'll see you soon inside Johns Pass at Hubbard's Marina. Don't forget, again, every Saturday morning, we've got that Real Animals radio show, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Every Sunday night, we've got our live stream show at 8:30 p.m. We hopefully will see you out here on the water for some fishing, dolphin tours, island trips, and more. Don't forget, if you're too busy to go fishing, you're just too darn busy. Thanks for watching, y'all.